Welcome to the Smart Local AI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a website using a website builder in Smart Local AI. Built a website is never so easy before Smart Local AI. Click on Website Builder, then Create Website. And you are on our Creating Website page. You can create any type of website from our exclusive Done For You website template library. You can choose templates from your desired category from drop-down. We have Done For You website template almost in every category. You just need to pick your desired one. We choose here templates in the e-course selling stores category. Now choose your desired website template. Just choose the domain, enter your site name, and click on Proceed. And it will open in our exclusive state-of-the-art website builder. Here you can further customize it. Change any image with a click. You can upload and replace any image from your local. Change any background on your website with our Change Background feature. Just choose backgrounds from our library. Fix background properties. And your background will be changed. Add or edit text on your website with easy. You can also style your text. Like changing font family and font style and color etc. Change links on your website. You can choose what you want a link to do. You can use a link to open a new window or the same. Or open a page. Link to an anchor. Or add a download link to your page. You can also add an email address. Create AI content by using our AI content generator. Just add a prompt and your result will be ready. Use it into your website. Replace images with clicks. Change texts. Customize your section with shadow. Padding. Margin. Border. And border roundness. Click on Save and your website is ready. You can manage your websites in the Manage Website section. Here you can edit or update your website. Add more settings on your website like scripts like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, live chat, third party, WhatsApp numbers, or pop-up view options on your website. Use the social media traffic sharing option to share your profile on social networks. View your generated website. Thanks for watching the video.